Aloha mai, and welcome on this delightful Sunday afternoon here at Pool 4 Beach on the beautiful North Shore of the Garden Island of Kauai. I'd like to greet everyone with aloha.
Champagne skies still water outside our window. I still care.
Madison, from the moment we met, I was drawn to your passion for life, your love of travel, and the unique way you embrace everything that makes you, you. I knew you were the one for me early on. I'll never forget the first time we cuddled. I felt something I had never felt before, a perfect fit like a puzzle piece, as if we were always meant to be together. You are the first and only person who has given me the confidence to become the best version of myself, and for that I will be forever grateful. Together we've faced life's highest peaks and lowest valleys. We've laughed, cried, and grown, always coming out stronger and closer. You've made me a better man, and I promise to be the best husband I can for you.
City streets are hollow, giving up their
My dearest Philip, it sounds almost too perfect to be true, but when our eyes met for the very first time, it felt like the universe just stopped. In that instant, I had this quiet, unshakable certainty that you were going to be someone really special in my life. Philip, there are so many things that I love about you. You're one of the funniest people I've ever met, and not a single day goes by where you don't make me laugh. Your humor brightens even my darkest days, and your ability to lift my spirits is a gift I will always cherish. You are passionate and determined in ways that inspire me every day. You have the biggest heart and the kindest soul. From the very beginning, you made me feel deeply loved and appreciated. Before I met you, I wasn't even sure who I was or how to fully be myself. But with you, I feel seen, understood, and loved for exactly who I am. You are my safe place, my rock, my better half. And I can only hope that someday you see in yourself the extraordinary person that I see in you every single day.
Madison and Phillip, by the powers vested in me by the state of Hawaii, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Phillip, you may now kiss your bride.
Oh my God.
It's perfect.
You're perfect. You're perfect.
champagne skies still weather outside our window, and I still carry you with me.
I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. There's no one else I'd rather explore this world with, share these memories with, and start a family with. You're my partner, my love, my everything. I promise to cherish and honor you until my very last breath.
Today and for the rest of our lives, I promise to make you feel as loved as you have made me feel. You are my everything, my partner, my best friend, my greatest adventure, and my dream come true. I love you more than words can ever express, and I cannot wait to see what forever looks like for us.